guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, hello, my name is Azzy, and today's video is really exciting because today I'm doing a Fabfitfun winter box unboxing, and I'm so excited to show you guys what's in my winter box. If you guys don't know, I'm actually a Fabfitfun campus rep, and I have a coupon code for you guys, which is Azzy10, and you guys can get $10 off your first box with Fabfitfun, which I highly recommend just to try out once if you want to just see if you like it, which I totally think you will, because the products that they have in these boxes are really good, because you're getting actually more than what you actually pay for, and then you're going to get $10 off with my code, so you're saving a little bit of money. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up. This video is actually going to be a part of my Vlogmas day number 6, so it is Christmassy / winter inspired. If you guys can't tell, I'm wearing my cute little red Sherpa from Pink. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. I am so excited. The packaging is so cute. It's really blue and Christmassy. It says Fabfitfun. But yeah, if you guys want to see what's in my box, then just keep on watching. This is my box right here, and when I first open it up, this is what we see inside. Super cool, and I'm very excited to try everything. So it just says Fabfitfun on it, and we have the catalog thing for this month's or this winter box, and it just includes a lot of the products that are included in the winter box, the prices, the things they do, and what they're for and stuff like that. Then I have like a 30% off code for some vitamins. I have an HBO Max free trial, and next we have some products, which I'm so excited. I think the winter box is like better than the fall box, I think, but anyways, yeah. The first item that I see in here is this Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, and this is like one of those light whitening kits that you can whiten your teeth with, and I'm not really sure how it works, but I'm really excited to try it out. Actually, I've been like dying to film this video as soon as I could so I can try this out, and I wonder if it's actually gonna whiten my teeth like really good. So first thing we got in here, I want to actually show you guys the prices of these items. The original price of this item is actually $89.99, and it says the whitening gel and LED light tray system gives you a brighter, whiter smile. This is $90, and you're paying $40 for this box, so that's already literally, it's like you're paying for this and still getting a discount and getting everything else in the box for free. Next thing that we have in here is the Impressions Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror, and I actually already have one similar to this, not the Impressions one, but one similar, so I might just be gifting this to somebody. But this is actually retailed for $45, and I heard Impressions Vanity Company is a really good company, and yeah, I'm just, whoever gets this, I don't know who I'm gonna give it to, but it's super cool LED, and yeah, this is super nice. And by the way, if you guys don't know what Fabfitfun is, I think I forgot to mention that, it's just like a seasonal subscription box that you pay for with all of like beauty items, lifestyle items, things that like we use on a daily basis, like, you know, cooking stuff, hair stuff, beauty stuff, just like blankets sometimes, and robes, so stuff we use like in our everyday life. So yeah, and you pay it for each season, so like winter, fall, spring, summer. So yeah. The next thing that I see in here is the Vanilla Bean lip scrub by the brand Wish, and it says it gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. And I'm actually going to open it because I'm really curious to see. I forgot to show you guys the packaging, but it just looks like this. Just open it, and it smells really good. So this comes out like a scrub, I'm thinking, and then you just use it really fast or immediately. The next thing we have in here is the Probiotic Skincare by Tula. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys how much that Wish thing was. $20. So this Wish thing retails for $20, in case you guys are wondering. The next thing I have is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling Brightening Eye Balm, which I desperately need because I've been seeing my under eye circles get way darker or be more darker than usual lately, and this is $30. This is a full size for $30, and this box costs only $39.99. Then we have the Noir Scrunchies, and I'm actually going to open these because I've been dying to try these out. Just like a 3-pack of the like leopard prints, and they're very cute and stylish. And these were priced at $25. So a 3-pack of scrunchies for $25, guys. Then I have the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice 12 color eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna open it for you guys. I did on my Instagram story, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways because the colors are beautiful. So this is the packaging. It's super cute for like fall time also. But guys, look at the colors. So cute. And I don't think I've ever tried the Laura Geller stuff before, but I'm excited to try it out. And this is priced at $45. So this eyeshadow palette is retail at $45, which costs more than what your box is, which is crazy. Last 2 items that I have in here is the Phase Zero Making Moves blusher, and I've never heard of this brand before. This is the packaging. It's super sleek and very matte. I don't know, it's just really sleek. But yeah, I've never heard of this brand before, and it's like a red orange type of blush. I'm gonna try to open it. And it's super sleek, super cute, and if I can open it, there we go. Oh, it's actually pretty pink, super cute color. I like colors like this, stuff I can wear every day, and it has a little bit of like shimmer, but not too much, so it's gonna look bad. And the retail price for this blush is $27.50. It says a silky smooth formula blends seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous flush of color. So $27.50. Last but not least is something that I'm very excited for because I love cooking / kitchen stuff, and this is something I desperately needed, which is a cutting board. Oh, I forgot. I have another item. We'll do this one first. I got a Kind bar in my box. This is a Kind Thins. I think it's new from Kind bars, and it's just like a thin version. So yeah, I got that too. But anyways, onto the cutting board, because it's something I'm really excited for, and I've been dying to do this video so I can also try my cutting boards out. But this is like a set of 4 cutting boards, and they're each a different color, and each one stands for a different type of like food. So one's like for seafood, like dark meat, pork, and then veggies. So yeah, and it's really nice, and they have a lot of space, so I'm so excited for this. And this is by the brand Epar, I'm not sure. And the retail price for the set of cutting board is $19.99, in case you guys are wondering. But yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. But yeah, that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I know it was like super fast, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got in my Fabfitfun winter box. Do not forget to use my code AZY10 for $10 off your first box, because guys, I'm telling you right now, your total items that you're going to get is going to cost more than what you actually pay for the box. So it's definitely like a good like thing to try out. You can cancel anytime. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to use my code. It will be down below. Follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye guys.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm